Hello and welcome to Osaka Spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Osaka Nanko ATC. Osaka Nanko ATC is a large complex near Osaka Bay. ATC means Asia and Pacific Trade Center. It opened in 1994 to become a place to connect Osaka with other countries in Asia and Pacific area. You can reach ATC in about 30 minutes by train from central Osaka. It's close to the sea, so it is a good place to relax and enjoy open views. Many people come here to work, study, shop, or take a walk by the water. ATC has office, shops, restaurants, and event space. There are cafes and restaurants which have views of the sea. In the evening, the sunset over Osaka Bay is very beautiful. Many visitors like to take photos there. In recent years, ATC has become active again. Since 2023, more international events and exhibits have been held there. Some events are about environment, energy, robots, and AI and design. These events are a good chance to learn new ideas and meet people from different countries. ATC is also connected to the future. It's used for test projects and international programs to prepare for Expo 2025 in Osaka. Because of this, it is a place that shows how Osaka wants to grow and connect with the world. Around ATC, there are walking paths and green areas by the sea. People come here to work, learn, or just sit and relax. It's quieter than the city center, so you can enjoy a quiet side of Osaka. Osaka Nanko ATC is not allowed tourist spots, but it's a place to feel the future, culture, and international spirit of Osaka. It's a good place to visit if you want to see a different face of the city. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.